Hello, business owners. I am back today and I am going to show you really quickly how you can set up a link that you can use if you don't have a website, if you don't have a shop or any platform that already has payment set up, or if you need to create a specific link that you can send to people so that they can pay you. You can do that using Stripe. So I'm already logged into my Stripe account, so I'm gonna show you how to do this. So this is a no code way to, get a link that you can use anywhere to, get paid, right? So all you need to do is head over to the share a payment link button. Okay, so here is our page. This is how we're going to set it up over here. This page says at the top, create a payment link. So we're going to set that up over here. And then when I scroll over here, this is how it's going to look. Okay, so let's go ahead and get that set up. And then I'll take you over to the preview so that you can see how it's going to look. Now in this section, you have a couple of options. You can let customers choose what to pay. And this is kind of like having a tip jar. So a lot of people will create digital products and they'll maybe put them in their YouTube description or the about page or whatever. And they'll say, you can get all of these items, for a tip, or leave me a tip if you enjoyed this video, or, it's basically a way to a call to action that enables you to get, whatever the customer feels comfortable paying, even if they decide they don't want to pay anything, right? So we're going to use the option though for products or subscriptions because we definitely want to get paid our $7.99 for our income tracker spreadsheet. Now, if you're not familiar with what we're doing here, let me just kind of back up. And this is going to give you some information and insight on how you can actually use this as well. So if you were on our previous video, you saw where we set up our thank you page. We actually set up a whole income generating system that enables you to generate leads. And then on the back end, we have on our thank you page an offer that will enable us to also earn a little money on the back end of our offer. So this is our thank you page, and this is the free resource that, they got. So they signed up, they got this free resource that's going to come to them in their email. And then while they're, on our site, they can also save 50%. So we tell them about that offer, and we show them how they can keep track of their business expenses with the income expense tracker spreadsheet. So at the bottom, this is the thing. This is a product that is sold in our shop, but we sell it in our shop for $15.99. We don't want to sell that in our offer because we just told people they could save 50%. So instead of sending people to our shop, we have decided to just, create a link using Stripe that will enable us to get paid without disturbing our shop. So that way we don't have to put in any special codes. The customer doesn't have to put in any special codes. They don't have to leave this page for us to get paid, right? We can just put our link into our button and then they can pay us and they can get their spreadsheet. So that's why we're doing this, this particular link. So now let's go back over. So now you know why we're doing it, and we're going to use the product or subscriptions option. So this is where we're going to set up our payment page. So we're going to add our product, and the name of our product is the income. And you know what? I already have it set up because I did this before. We're just going to name it income tracker. We'll just say it's an income tracker. Okay. And then we want to collect tax. And they have advanced options like allowing promotion codes. You can allow business customers to provide their tax ID number. You can save payment details for future use. And then you can also set up what you want your button to say. So of course we want our button to say pay. So now we've got this all set up. right? And okay, so just one moment. I just did this a minute ago. I don't know why it is looking strange to me now. Okay, so we've got this in here. Am I hiding something? Okay, so this is our income. Okay, after payment. Okay, so then this is after payment, but I thought I could just set this up. This is our income tracker as the new product. Okay. Oh, okay, here we go. I'm just like, what in the heck? So you have to click on that actual. So when you click on this and then click on this little purple button, add income tracker. Okay, so now we're going to add our description. So we're going to go back to the page. We want everything to be consistent, right? Because we want to make sure that people know that they are in the right place. So we want to add the description. We're going to put that there. We're going to upload our picture. So you always want to upload a picture so that, you know, people know, yeah, this is what I wanted to buy. And that helps them to understand that they're in the right place. And then we have to pick out our category. And our category is going to be a digital product. So let's see. I think we said this is going to be digital greeting cards, digital books, digital video streaming, nah, digital book, audio works, finished artwork, school textbooks, good grief, digital audio works. What about digital video? We'll say digital audio visual works. It's not downloaded though. It's not a subscription. We'll just say that it's, I guess it's streamed. And then we're going to put in our price, $7.99. We're going to say include tax and price. It's a one-time payment. And this is going to be Ohio and 7.5. Okay. I think we got everything we need. Income tracker. Yep. Okay, we're going to add our product. And so now we've set up our product, right? And this is the thing. We can let customers adjust the quantity. I can't really see that someone would want to buy more than one of these, but so you know what? I'm not going to let them adjust the quantity. If they want to buy another one, they can come in and buy another one. So this is our payment item. Now we want to set up what's going to happen after the payment. So we want to show a confirmation page and we want to just say, you know, thank you for your purchase. Find the instructions. No, I guess we want to probably, we'll just say thank you for your purchase at this point. And do we want to send out an invoice? I don't want to send out an invoice because they charge you. So we can direct customers back to our website. And actually, I think that's probably what I will do. Send them back to the website and then they can get instructions there on how to access their product. So at the end of this, once somebody buys, you want them to be able to get access to their product. Right now, we're just going to set up a confirmation page and we're going to say thank you for your payment. So this is what the page is going to look like. So here is our confirmation page. Here is our payment page. So this is what the payment page is going to look like. So they can pay using Apple Pay. They can pay using another source. They can put their credit card or their debit card in, and they can use Cash App. I mean, there's so many different ways that they can pay using Stripe. So just kind of keep that in mind. Now, I have Apple Pay, and I'm thinking by default, it's going to show Apple Pay. But if someone is on a Android device, then it's probably going to show Google Pay because I'm signed up with both Google Pay and Apple Pay. So on your Stripe account, just make sure you've got all the different forms of payment that you signed up for those, so that you can give your customers as many options as possible. Okay, so everything is good here. And I really like the way this is laid out. It's really simple, and it's designed for, both desktop and mobile phones. So then after the payment, it says, thank you for your payment. A payment to making it remotely will appear on your statement. And it gives them the amount that they have paid with the, with their confirmation. So that is pretty much it. And, unfortunately, I had a little hiccup there in the beginning, but we got it done. So that is pretty much it. Now I'm going to do another video. And actually, if you have PayPal, it is so easy to get paid using PayPal. So I'm going to do another video that shows you how to set up your PayPal Me link, and then you can put that in. So now that we have our payment set up, all we need to do is create our link. So we're going to create the link, and here is the link right here. Income tracker, $7.99 US, and all I need to do is just copy this to the clipboard and then head over to my page, my thank you page. We're going to scroll down here and we're going to add that link. And there we go. We've got it there. We're going to hit save. And once this saves, then we can go out and just kind of test this. So we're going to open up a private browser. That's the best way for you to test your links to make sure that they work. And let's see. Okay, new private window. So now we've got our window open. Now we just need to put our link in there for our thank you page. I guess, you know what? Let's go ahead and just test out this whole thing. I think it's going to work fine. But just to kind of, for those of you who haven't seen our income generating system, this is going to be a great way for you to see that. So I'm going to make this a little bit larger so that you can see the whole screen. Okay, so here we are. And this is basically a page that I set up. It's a landing page. Here is our lead magnet, our freebie, and here is where people can sign up to get that free resource. So I'm just gonna put in an email address here, just gonna be a bogus email. And I need to fix this button, and I said that in the last video, but I haven't done it yet. But okay, so now we're on our thank you page. Thank you for signing up. And then this is basically it. So they signed up, they find out that their free planning worksheets are on the way to their inbox. While you're here, say 50%. Here's the countdown timer that we put on this page, so people know they have about 29 minutes to make a decision. Now, once this countdown has expired, then it's lights out. In other words, this offer will no longer be available. It tells people what they're going to get, and it gives them the sale price of $7.99. So here's our button. Let's see what happens when we click on this button. So looks like it's working, and it's taking it to our page where we can buy our income tracker, right? And so all we have to do is fill out our information, and we are good to go. So this is working out the way that we had anticipated, and I am very happy with the results. So if you're interested in building an income generating system like the one that we just set up, I would recommend going to that video, and I'll put a link to it below this video. And it walks you through how to set up this entire system. And all you have to do, once you have this system set up, all you need to do is provide a link. So you can create your visuals and then provide a link. So in my case, because this is about organization, I would want my visuals to talk about, having an organized business and some of the benefits. You can you can use a tool like ChatGPT and just put in, give me 5, reasons or 5 benefits of having an organized office. You can do a blog post on the benefits of having an organized office, an organized business, and what that will do for entrepreneurs who are looking to be more organized. There's nothing worse than having a bunch of scattered, disorganized, chaotic information all over the place. And then when you get ready to try to, set up your income generating activities, you can't find anything. So this is going to help you get everything in one place. And then if you decide, if the customers or potential customers decide to take action, they're going to be able to get this particular item. And what this system does is, believe it or not, it really does a lot, because it enables people, number one, to know how your business works. So they're going to get their freebie, the thing that you promised. They're going to get the income tracking spreadsheet, which means they're going to know what it's like to buy from you. They're going to know that they have a seamless process that they can go through. You have a payment processing system that they're familiar with. They can use their MasterCard, their Visa, their debit cards. They can use Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal. Well, maybe not PayPal because this is Stripe, but they can use, any number of different ways to pay you and not have to worry about, their information being stolen or, being hacked or any of that stuff. And you might even want to put a little blurb here at the bottom, pay securely using Stripe. So that is pretty much it. And, these systems, they're very simple and they're not hard to set up. We got this system set up in less than an hour. I had a couple of hiccups, but once you're used to setting these systems up, they're going to enable you to start earning money. And that is the name of the game. You want to start earning money as quickly as possible. So thanks for hanging out with me today. And the next video is going to be on how to set up a link using PayPal. So thanks again and have a great day.